You want to see if Mommy can get another one? Let's see if it'll work again.
Oh, Mommy, it's not working.
It's okay, Mommy's gonna go.
Logan.
Just a minute. Give Mommy a minute. Don't cry, please.
I fix it.
No. Mommy will definitely fix it. Ava. Here, let Mama fix it. Mama's trying to get Mickey for you, I promise. Hey, you gotta be nice, remember?
Logan, be nice to your doggy.
Of course I got it to work that once, and it was like the
Say, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands. Ava, say it. Say it. Hands up. Say hands up.
Hey, Mama.
hands are up. Juicy. Oh, Mickey's gonna be on again in just a minute. Dora's gonna be on after Mickey's over.
Tell Daddy what you want to use your words.
Okay, let Mommy tape Mickey and we'll watch Dora.
Use your words. Use your words. What?
You have
No
to
what?
stop crying and Mommy will turn on Dora.
No, she's mad at me.
No.
Use your words.
No.
Don't kick Daddy. Use your words. Use your words. What does Ava want? What does Ava want?
Camera out of her face.
Let's go.
No what? No camera? No camera, please, Daddy.
Now they're playing really low.
Please.
We're going to read the story about the three little pigs. Do you know the story of the three little pigs?
Logan.